YouTube. Today I'll be showing you a new project, and it is my firewall, not the computer firewall. Right here you could see a Fireworks GE-FX5 analog panel. Here's the inside. Display, the LED, the lights, the buttons, all the sounds and effects. And right here is the GE-FX64 addressable panel. The display, the lights, reset, the buttons, plus these two programmable buttons, which I did. Your numbers, your arrows, your enter button, and your program. How it looks inside. It's nothing special. It's just your regular panel. And to turn these panels on, there's switches, and there's two of them. And how it's connected is by all of these wires that are connected to a cord. And my exit sign that's connected to the addressable panel, and it's double-sided, mounted on the wall with back box. And I suppose that would be it. Bye, YouTube.